This is the funny. At this moment,
NPP too much.
I am going to call on the Electoral Commission straight away to come and give the official declaration of the results. Omunomu supervise here. Omuya Presidential Elections Committee for so ewaha. Na jumadi ne yatoaso. Choboy. Dr. Sribo Kweku and the leading team no at the buyer. Dr. Sribo Kweku. The patrol wadarma ehia wa say.
That's right.
These are the results. Candidate number 1, Ken Agyapong. He had 71,996. Mahmoud Bawumia, 118,210. Owusu Afriye Akoto, 1,459. Francis Adenimo, 781. Total valid votes, 192,446. Total rejected ballots, 900. Total vote cast, 193,346. By your constitution, for somebody to be declared a winner, the person should have 50% plus. And by our computation, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia had 91.47%. Sorry, 61.47%. 61.47%. So Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is duly elected as your flag bearer going to 2024. Thank you very much.
Next on the list,
The showdown.
the member of parliament for Ascent Central,
The showdown.
popularly known as the Showdown, Honorable Kennedy Akomprako Agyapong.
The showdown.
Choboy. MPP will say yeah. MPP will say yeah. MPP MPP say Mr. President, the First Lady, the Vice President, the Second Lady, Chief of Staff, National Chairman, Council of Elders Chairman, Election Committees Chairman, my colleagues, aspirants, all protocol observed. Indeed, it's a great day today. I believe the party has been fair and transparent. Yes! That is the only thing I've always been preaching. And I must admit, this election is fair. And my grassroots have spoken. And therefore, I accept the results in good faith.
DJ Sky.
I pledge my support that we're going to work tirelessly to break the 8.
This is Angel 102.9.
So, party members that we are here, we should put everything behind us and let's unite this party. With unity, I believe we can break the 8. And that is all I've been preaching for. So I congratulate the elections committee, the police department, electoral commission, and the party members for the commitment you've shown for peace. And I want to assure you, in 2024, the showdown is being translated to NPP. We have to come together and give NDC a showdown. So, once again, I want to say thank you to my team for working hard, my wife for the support she gave me, and the party faithfuls who believe in me and voted for me. I say a big thank you to you, and I'll never forget you. So let's come together and success will be ours. Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
The showdown.
Mamadou Bawumia will be able to unite this party with the assistance of Kennedy Ohene Agyapong, the assistance of Owusu Akoto, Adenimo, and all the other contestants, and provide us the strong leadership that will take on the NDC in 2024 and inflict a third successive defeat on John Dramani Mahama. Yamani Trinkwa. Na mini say, obetumi akaye nyina bom. Ya ba be ye dombako 2024 no. Obetumi ni NDC for no. Akọ akai mo ni ati ase say osoro kokoko no ba Ghana cannot afford the return of the NDC, especially under the leadership